Alright, so I'm posting this video out here to give you guys a heads up, especially you guys in New York, because right now your terrible ass government is trying to make it so you have to go through a background check to buy a 3D printer. Like, don't believe me? Here's the bill. Assembly Bill A8132 relates to criminal history background checks for the purchase of three-dimensional printers capable of creating firearms. That's literally every single printer. And you can see right now it's in the committee assembly. It's got to go through all these processes to actually be signed. But this is not good. You guys should call your senators and let them know that this is bullshit and you don't stand for it. Like, this is insane. Can you guys imagine having to go through a background check to purchase a 3D printer? This is nuts. And furthermore, are they going to regulate every other part that's making up a printer? Like stepper motors, control boards, wiring, power supplies? Like, they can't do it. It's insane. But these people are idiots. You guys need to call your senators if you're in New York and tell them you oppose this crap.